Hey guys, let's go over the side plank rotation with the knee. So this is going to be a pretty complex movement. Requires not only some strength, but a lot of balance, a lot of core engagement. Even works the upper shoulders and chest area, triceps, but it definitely hits that back as well. So what we're going to do for this is you're going to start off in a plankish push-up type position. Make sure you're using opposite arm, opposite leg. So I'm going to have my right hand down and my left foot down, okay? So with this, you can see I have my right hand down, I have my left foot down, and notice that I cocked it off to the side like that. So I'm going to place the offhand, the hand that's not on the ground, on my hip, and then what I'm going to do is, you can see, to begin the movement, I kick my leg out straight, contracting the glutes, low back, and then I rotate, bringing the knee through. Repeat on each side, and that right there is a side plank rotation with the knee.